baby. Ugh, it smells like straight up old piece of residue. Hey, but what it do, people? As you guys can see, this your host with the most, Paul Cantu. And first and foremost, shout out to Sus Squad and everyone who commented on my last video. Now, I did hit 500K, and a lot of you guys say y'all want to see more customs. Some more of those will be coming. There's some other good video ideas. And of course, there's some fire comments from my boy Conglomerate, who said, Paul looking like the scientist that invented the cure for pedophilia wearing them glasses. Accurate. Someone else, I don't know why I want to respond to this. My boy True Blue DC4L said, Cantu, do you love me? I love each and every one of you kind souls and spirits. That's why it's been a few days since I dropped the video. I just want to bless y'all, make y'all's hearts filled with happiness and joy and love, and drop a new fucking flick on you guys. So first and foremost, man, today's a Fan Flame unboxing. Y'all know the last one didn't necessarily go as swimmingly as it should. In that video, I said on private just because I was like, dude, this is like a pointless ass unboxing. No offense. Also, I am going to be at Sneaker Summit, so everyone in Houston, everybody knows H-Town, Texas, Brazewood, baby.
It's H-Town, Texas, Brazewood, baby.
Yeah, everyone in Houston, come through, show some love. I'm gonna have a pop-up, a ton of vintage gear, so if you wanna grab some stuff for the low from me, meet me, take pictures, squeeze my tits, whatever you guys want, you can do. All the info is in the description to the event, where it's gonna be and what time, so pull up on my bitch ass. All right, now, I have 3 parcels, yeah, in my hand right now. These actually got sent to my old P.O. box, I do believe. If you guys want to send me anything, I have a new P.O. box, and again, that's in the description. A young lady actually emailed me asking, or not emailed, DM me, asking what my P.O. box was. It's in the description, baby. I'm not trying to get in trouble with the old lady, you dig? But I got Trish the Blonde Hair Bitch on deck. So let's go ahead and crack into the first package right now. It's from Mark J. Oh, Mark Jacobs? Bruh, designer? Damn, that was so simple, baby. All right, we in there like swimwear. Why is this thing like triple wrapped? I don't know, but I appreciate that effort, dude. Why is this taking so long? All right, baby, okay. So we got some literature. It's lit. Let me go ahead and read this to y'all. Oh shit. The homie threw in a 100 sticker. It says, July 6, 2016. Dear Thrift God, aka Mr. Paul Cantu, thank you for making these glorious thrift haul videos. I found your channel about 5 years ago and enjoy your colorful commentary of finds in the trenches, as well as your restoration and customization videos. Alrighty, bro, I appreciate that. The Trill Wheel, Salvation Army, and Savers Thrift Joints don't have any gyms where I live. That's a lie, bro. You gotta go more often. But I look on Craigslist, Facebook, Marketplace, and eBay for the good deals. See, you guys can peep. Okay, he says what's enclosed, but I'm not gonna go ahead and say that. He has an eBay store, Action Jacks 808. So there you go, man. Bam, there it is. So he threw in a slight little piece of Jaqueta Flame and unveiling. Okay, for sure. It's just a clean little Dallas Cowboys. You guys know that's my team, unfortunately. I don't know, shit just doesn't go according to plan, bro. But yeah, man, it's just a Sports Illustrated jacket, very clean color scheme, a dope little essential. You know what, I'll go ahead and throw it on my beautiful torso right now. My very skinny physique, if you will, just to show you guys how this graces the body textures and lines. Oh, this is very form-fitting. Nah, this shit is fucking huge. Just feel like I can jump out of a plane and fucking parachute with this bitch. Cowboys, baby. Yeah. Alright, so thank you, Mark, and thanks for having this postage be stuck on my foot. We got another package right here. There's no name on this.
All I wanna know, girl, what your name is.
Oh, yes! Alright, so getting in here, ooh, it appears there's like a, dang, there's a good amount of items up in this joint. Okay, I'm trying to see if there's any other literature. Oh, there's not. Okay, cool, straight to the point. Let's see what's up in this hoe. Okay, we got the Breckenridge, Colorado. Dude, I went snowboarding and sucked major on the slopes. So shout out everybody who is snow gifted and does know how to actually go down slopes, because that shit is hard as hell. I also got the LS Red Chaps Raflerin Pockety. Not too shabby for daddy. We always need essentials in our life, you know what I mean? Let's see what else. Another essential, Polo Ralph Lauren, burgundy and navy, straight wavy, clean color scheme. What is it? And then last and not least, let's see what's up in her. You have the Lamar and Dolly Reebok. Ooh. Is that what that said? Yeah, Reebok 92 cut and sew on these hoes crew neck. This is actually probably the cleanest piece in this little unboxing. I do appreciate these clothes, man. I'm not exactly sure what your name is.
All I wanna know, girl, what your name is.
It doesn't even have a name. It just has an address. So whoever sent me this, man, thank you very much, unknown mystery guest. I appreciate that. I'm glad there's nothing really crazy in there. Okay, now another parcel we got is I actually think this may be off eBay. I don't know. It's from this dude named Justin. So shout out to him. You dig? Oh, I think I know what this is, bruh. Yeah. All right, y'all. Just some slight work. So, you know, some slight things on a Thursday, bro. I got this starter Green Bay Packers. Oh my God, I hate eBay so much, bro. It's the third time, baby. This Green Bay Packers jacket, it does have some slight menstruation in this yellow region right here. It is cleanly color blocked. It has this nice little embellishment going on right there with the zipper, and it has the big G on the back, G's up, marks down with the starter. I'm on my starter. Yeah, I got that on the back. I don't know why I'm so hyped right now, TBH, but very cool, very clean, calm, and collected. You guys know what time it is. This is gonna be for sale straight up. God, it's just like on eBay, bro. I don't know if you guys have encountered this, but straight up, bro. Like I've gotten two things. I got a Yankees jersey. That shit had a straight up rip on the shoulder, right? I got a Rangers jersey. It had a bunch of stains. I waited too long to do an unboxing to where I wasn't in the return window. One person did say I could return it, and then I went fucking to LA, so I was like, hey, fuck it, keep the 11 bucks. But at the end of the day, bro, like you guys really need to step up your picture game, because I was not under the impression that low-key Chainsaw Massacre happened while someone was rocking and shocking this Green Bay Packers jacket. I don't even know, but I mean, it's still very clean despite that discrepancy, but it is what it fucking is. So anyways, that does wrap up the unboxing. I have like some new shoe pickups. I'm not gonna throw them in this video. I feel like it already is like substantiated and substantial enough. But if you guys just enjoy this quick and little sexy exemplification of me needing a haircut, then I appreciate you guys. I still got this shit on my sock. And yeah, man, peace and love. Live the dream, eat that vegan ice cream. I have some more content coming soon, man. I'm preparing for this event. I got this custom project I'm working on. You guys will see that soon. And then we also have, what do we also have? Oh yeah, stuff.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.
Fuck Supreme, nigga.